Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Enderium ingots. This valuable alloy is essential for many high-tier crafting recipes in your world. We will go through the necessary components, including various metal dusts and ender pearl dust, and then cover the final smelting process. It's a straightforward path once you know the steps, requiring just a few key ingredients and a furnace. First, let's focus on gathering the necessary metal dusts. You will need lead dust, tin dust, and silver dust. These are typically obtained by mining their respective ores and then processing them in a pulverizer or similar machine. Each ore yields one dust, so ensure you have a good supply of each to create multiple ingots later on. Next, you'll need to prepare ender pearl dust. This involves hunting endermen, which drop ender pearls upon defeat. Once you have a sufficient number of pearls, you'll need to process them into dust using a pulverizer or similar grinding device. Each ender pearl usually converts into 1 unit of ender pearl dust, so gather enough for your desired number of ingots. Finally, it's time to craft and smelt your Enderium ingots. Combine 1 lead dust, 1 tin dust, 1 silver dust, and 1 ender pearl dust in a crafting grid to form an Enderium blend. Once you have the blend, place it into any furnace or induction smelter. After a short smelting time, you will receive your valuable Enderium ingot, ready for advanced crafting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.